Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get MetaMask Wallet on your PC. So go to Chrome Web Store, and then you're gonna search up MetaMask, and this first one right here, not the development build, this one right here. Press add to Chrome. I'm gonna add the extension. Wait for it to download. Okay, it's done. Open it up. Press agree, and if you want to import a wallet, just press import. But you're gonna want to do whatever. I'm gonna just create a new one just for this video. Put in a password. Let me just. Alright, I'm just creating one. Skip. And now you're done. Now you have MetaMask Wallet on your PC. You could open it from here as well. Alright, see you guys in another video.